Jai Swaminarayan friends. We have discussed the chapter number 6, linear inequalities. Last one I think completed the examples. Look your textbook. Yeah, example number 15 completed. Now we discuss the exercise number 6.3. Exercise number 6.3. Open your textbook. Exercise number 6.3. One by one discuss the sum. First one, x greater than or equal to 3, y greater than or equal to 2. Right? We have already explained in last lecture this two graph. This is your vertical line parallel to x axis, and this one parallel to x or y. Yeah, this is a parallel to y axis vertical line and parallel to x axis horizontal line. Both are in first quadrant. Both line and the first positive. First we draw the here x equal to 3. So write this one is the origin. Here we write 3 0. Now draw the line. X is greater than or equal to 3. So we take the right side part. This one. This portion. All are points. Okay. Now y greater than or equal to 2. We take here 2. Zero 2. Here x is greater than or equal to 3. And here y is greater than or equal to 2. That means greater than or equal to, that is more than 2. Upper part of this line. You can extend both the side. And all the points are upper part of this line. Right? Okay, this side also, second quadrant also, first quadrant also. And here the intersection point. X coordinate 3, y coordinate 2. Right? First line, right side part. Second line, upper part. Right? So common portion is this one L. It's the common portion. This is your graph. Do you understood? Clear? Okay. Now second question. 3x plus 2y. Less than or equal to 12. X is greater than or equal to 1. And y is greater than or equal to 2. Total 3 line. 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. X is greater than or equal to 1. All are dark line because all the equation in equal to sign given. Okay, first we prepare the table here. X and y. X 0, y 0. Put here x equal to 0. 2y equal to 12, y 6. Okay. Now y 0, 3x equal to 12, x 4. Now intersection of these two lines. This line x is greater than or equal to 1, vertical line. But intersection of these 2 points is x coordinate is fixed 1. X equal to 1 put in this equation. 3 1s are 3. 12 minus 3, 9. 9 divided by 2. So y coordinate is 9 by 2. Okay, so intersection of these two lines. Now intersection of this two line. Y is equal to 2. Put here y equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 3x equal to 8. So x equal to 8 by 3. Clear? First we draw this line, this two line. Common portion. And we decide third line is passing through intersection point of this, upper part of this one and lower part of this one. which one is possible, right? Just hold it. Origin. Now x is greater than or equal to 1. 1 0. X is greater than or equal to 1. So right side. Okay. All the points in first and fourth quadrant. Right side. Exactly this point, x equal to 1. We take x equal to 1 and x greater than 1 also. Now y is greater than 2. Zero 2. So is y is here greater than or equal to 2. So our intersection point is 1 2. Okay. Our common portion of this two line is L shape. Right side and upper part. This is the common portion. Now third line. 4 0 on the x axis. 4 1 0. We take here 4 0. And we take here 6 0 6. Okay. So we draw the line. Yeah. Intersection point of x axis 4 0. Intersection point of y axis 0 6. Okay. Satisfied? Check your 0 0. Put here 0 0. 0 0. 0 is smaller than 12. So this line, lower part, all the points. Right? So our equation 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Okay. Second and third line portion is L shape. Right? Now you can draw this line here. So this portion will be cancelled. Now only remaining portion is here. So intersection of these three lines are right angle triangle. And intersection point of first two line is this one, x coordinate 1, y coordinate 9 by 2. And here x coordinate is 8 by 3, y is 2. 8 by 3 and 2. Clear? This is your right angle triangle common portion. Right? Clear? So intersection of this three line is common portion, right angle triangle. Okay? In a 12 science, you can find also the area of the right angle triangle. Same question, but you can find also area of the right angle triangle. Right? Base into altitude. Okay? So this is your question number 2. Now discuss third. All are the important sums. So maximum practice for this type of sum. Ask your examination. Question number 3, right? 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. And second equation, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Okay? Right. First we solve these two equations by elimination method. Whichever any one, substitution method also you can. You can apply any one simple method. 2x plus y equal to 6. 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Here the multiply by 4. Whole equation multiply by 4. 4x, so 4 to side x plus 4y, 24. Here the 6, right. Okay, and 3x plus 4y, 12. Minus minus minus. Cancel. 8 minus 3, 5x. 24 minus 12. So x equal to 12 by 5. Okay. Now put x equal to 12 by 5 in any one equation, first or second. We put here first equation. 2x plus y equal to 6. 12 by 5 plus y equal to 6. 12 twos are. Right? Denominator 5. So first we multiply by 30 upon 5 and 24 by 5 right side. Subject of y. 30 minus 20, denominator same. Same denominator, so you can subtract directly in numerator. 30 minus 24, y equal to 6 by 5. Intersection of these two lines is 12 by 5 and 6 by 5. Now prepare your table. First line. 2x. We prepare here this one table. X and y. X 0, y 0. Second line table. Put here x equal to 0. 4y equal to 12. Y 3. Y equal to 0. 3x equal to 12. So x 4. And intersection point is 12 by 5. 6 by 5. Okay. Now write here first line. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. X 0, y 0. 12 by 5, 6 by 5 common point. Now put x equal to 0. So y 6, put y equal to 0, x 3. Okay. Now all the points are positive. So we most of the graph first quadrant. Right? First we look this both the table and what's the maximum of value of x axis and y axis. Here x axis in this table 4 is the maximum. Here are the 3, so no maximum. And on the y axis here the 6 is maximum. So remember here when we draw the graph, look this. Origin 4 is the maximum. So we take here. And 0, 3 we take lower part. So we draw the graph this time. Here 0, 3. On this portion 4, 0. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Check your put and 0, 0. Here put 0, 0. 0, 0. So 0, 0 satisfied. Right side 0, 0 is smaller than or equal to 12. Right. Okay. Now here graph of this portion lower part. This all the parts. All the points. Right. Here not condition in only first quadrant. You can draw any quadrant. Okay. You can extend here line this one. And lower part is common. Okay. You can extend also this one. Lower part is the common. So this line is the lower part. Is our graph. First line. Now second line. 3, 0. 3, 0 is here. And 0, 6 is here. Right? So 0, 6, 3, 0 and 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Okay? Now this is your second line. 0, 0 not satisfied. So second line not lower part, upper part is. Right? So second line upper portion and first line is the lower portion. So which part is the common? This one, V shape. All are the common. This is the common portion. You can extend also. And intersection is this point, first quadrant, both of the positive. So 12 by 5, 6 by 5. Okay? Common intersection point. First line lower portion less than, and second line is the greater portion. Yeah, but here the cut. Okay, so this is the common portion, right? Okay, this one is important sum. Important sums maybe asked in your examination. Which question? Third. Yeah. Now we discuss the fourth question. Now we discuss the fourth question. X plus y greater than or equal to 4. And second equation 2x minus y less than 0. Okay. Here constant term is not given. Constant term is not given. Remember first or second lecture. Graph always pass through the origin. First and third quadrant, and second option second or fourth quadrant. Right? You can decide which quadrant pass through the graph. The other day, first we solve this equation. X plus y equal to 4. 2x minus y equal to 0. Cancel. 3x equal to 4. X equal to 4 by 3. Now put x equal to 4 by 3. Otherwise, second equation. Here the second equation, y equal to 2x. Y right side. Therefore, 2x is less than y. So y equal to 2x is your second equation. Put here x equal to 4 by 3. So y equal to, this is our intersection point. We prepare the table only first equation, not necessarily second equation, because second equation is a compulsory fixed graph passing through the origin. If you can take y positive, so x positive, y negative, x negative. So both have the same sign, plus plus minus minus. So passing through the first and third quadrant. So here also not necessarily table, because if you put x0, y4, y0, x4. So 4, 0, 0, 4. Okay? First we draw the graph. Here the origin. Right? Okay. Now first here the 4004. 4 zeros. Just hold it. Right here. And 0, 4. X plus y. 0, 0 not satisfied. So lower part is not included. Upper part. This portion. You can check also 4, 0 next point 5, 0. Put here 5, 0. 5 plus 0. 5 is greater than or equal to 4. Right? So first line. Here the first line. Upper part of this line. Okay? Clear? Now this one. Passing through the origin, first and third quadrant. Now area of this line, portion is, now we draw this line here. So area is divided by two parts. Right? Here the 2x is less than y. Our intersection point is 4 by 3, 8 by 3. Okay. Now you can decide which portion, left side or right side. Upper part is the common, but when we draw this line, so area is divided by two parts, right or left. Now we decide which part is the common part. You can decide. Suppose we decide the right side part. Right side. You can put x-axis on the point. Put on the x-axis point. 4, 0. Put here 4, 0. 2, 4 is 8. 8 and y 0. 8 is not less than 0. 8 is not less than 0. You can check here 5, 0. 5 is a 10. 10 is not less than 0. So that means this portion is not included. Upper part. You can check this one, 0, 4, put 0, 4, x equal to 0. So 0, y equal to 4, 0 is smaller than 4. Okay, so this portion, common portion is, but here not equal to sign. Equal to sign is not given. So we draw the graph is dotted. Okay. Right. Now this line equation is left side portion. And first line graph is this one. So common one is V shape, this one. Common portion. V shape. Clear? Is it? Okay. Which question this one is? Fourth. Okay, now we discuss the fifth question. I think all the sum completed in this lecture, but not possible. Fifth equation, 2x minus y greater than 1. And x minus 2y less than minus 1. 2x minus y greater than 1 and x minus 2y less than minus 1. Okay, first we discuss the elimination method. Okay, multiply by 2. 4x, 2y, okay, 1x, okay, 4 minus 1, so x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 here. Any one equation, 2 ones are 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus y equal to minus 1, so y equal to 1. Okay. Now table. First equation. You can here first prepare the second equation table. Intersection point is 1, 1. Prepare here the table of the second equation. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Minus 2y equal to minus 1. Y equal to 1 by 2. And y 0. X equal to minus 1. Now first equation. Minus y greater than 1. X 0, y 0 and 1, 1. X equal to 0. So y minus 1. Y 0. X equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now draw the graph. The important graph. First we check this one. In which quadrant? Can't we decide? Here the origin. Right? First equation, 0 minus 1 is here and 1 by 2, 0 is here. Zero and 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 2, 0. And point is 0 minus 1. Yeah. Okay. Now which portion? Left or right? Decide. Put here 0, 0. Not greater than 1. So it is not satisfied. 2x minus y greater than 1. Dotted line, not dark. Okay. Now which portion? 1 by 2. Next point 1, 0. Put here 1, 0. 2 ones are 2. Y 0. Okay, satisfied. So lower part, right side part of this line. Okay. Now this one minus 1 0 is here, and 0 1 by 2 is here. Intersection point is 1 1. So we draw the point 0 1 by 2 and minus 1 0 is here. First we dotted and dotted. Okay, and intersection point is 1 1. And second line equation, x minus 2y less than minus 1. Now you can decide which portion. 0 0 satisfy? 0 0 not less than minus 1, greater than minus 1. Okay, so second line, lower part is not included, upper part. Okay, so second line is upper part and first line is lower part, right side part. So common portion is what? This one. You can extend also, and this one is the common. Alright? Again V shape. Common shape. The common number, right? Okay? Now we discuss the sixth question. X plus y less than or equal to 6. And x plus y greater than or equal to 4, right? Okay. Remember your 10th standard Cramer formula, cross multiplication method. Remember a1x b1y plus c1, a2x b2y plus c2. If ratio a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Whenever satisfy this condition, this two line, always you can draw the graph, always parallel, intersection null set. Intersection null set. Look, this two equation, x and y coefficient are same. So 1x plus 1y, 1x, 1y. So a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, but not equal to c1 upon c2. So you can draw this two graph here. Try to your this two equation elimination method. X and y both the cancel. So these two lines are parallel, not intersect. So here not apply the elimination method and we find the intersection point. Okay. So here we use the concept of 10th standard Cramer's formula. Now doesn't necessary here you can draw the table. Directly apply the graph. Origin. Now first we draw the x0, y6, y0, x6. So x plus y and here 6 0 and 0 6. 0 0 put here, satisfy. So lower part of this one line, lower part of the line, this portion is included. Now x plus y, parallel line, parallel line. Yeah. 4 0 0 4. Okay, and here the line x plus y greater than or equal to 4. So 0 0 is not satisfied. So lower part is not included, upper part. Okay. If the condition is given, first quadrant, so you can draw the trapezium, but here the condition is not given. So this portion is included because first quadrant is not given. Clear? Okay. So this is the important sum. So practice this sum and remaining sum discuss in next lecture. Okay. Thank you very much. 6 sum completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exercise number 6.3. Okay. Thank you very much.